In today's video, go behind the scenes with me as we do a charter out here at Sugar Land Airport.
Hey there, fellow aviators and detailers. Welcome to my channel, The Plane Detailer, where we embark on an incredible journey around the globe, diving deep into the art of aircraft detailing. I'm Brandon, owner of Sparrowhawk Houston and a proud trainer for the Aviation Detailing Association, known as the ADA. Join me as we explore the world of aviation and I share tips, tricks, and techniques to keep these antique beauties in pristine condition. Let me be your guide as we go about preserving these magnificent flying machines that are truly pieces of art. So buckle up and hit that subscribe button to follow along on this adventure. Let's preserve the legacy of these aircraft together, one detail at a time.
We're going to be doing an interior level 2 detail on this one. Now, interior level 2 details are usually because the seats are a little bit dingy or they flew with pets, so there's a little bit of pet hair on the inside here, and that's exactly the case with this one. There's pet hair all on the inside of here, as you can see on the floors here, and these seats are a little dingy as well. And we have fingerprints all in the cockpit area, on the avionics screens, all over on the avionics screens, and on the visors as well. These are the most common places where fingerprints are, and we have dust on all the avionics screens as well. So we're going to do a very nice level 2 interior detail on this cockpit and the whole interior of this aircraft here. As with any cockpit cleaning, I like to first start out with cleaning the avionics screens. So a couple spritz of final approach here on my low pile side of my towel here. Wipe all the avionics screens so all the fingerprints are gone. Once I'm all done wiping the screens with the low pile side of my towel, I will then flip my towel around to my high pile side of my towel. Everybody likes some clean visors, ourselves included, so a couple spritz here of our final approach, and we're going to be cleaning the visors here now. The visors are going to be one of the most frequently touched areas outside of the avionics screens inside of the cockpit here. So we're just going to be wiping both sides, front and back of the visors with our low pile side of our towel with our final approach on there. Then we're going to flip it over to our high pile side of our towel, wipe it for a streak-free finish. Now that the screens and visors are all cleaned, we're going to wipe all the dust out of all the cockpits. We're going to wipe up the dash area here, the side paneling here, and all the dust that's all run on the avionics controls. Now that the cockpit's all nice and clean, I'm going to put my gloves on here. I'm going to be using my Scrub Ninja and Turn and Burn to scrub all these seats and all these side panelings as well for a nice, clean, smear-free finish. We're spraying Turn and Burn all over our seats, Turn and Burn on our Scrub Ninja here, which is our little tool that I have in my hand. We're going to be using this to scrub in all these pores of the seat, and this is really going to help to clean and lift all the dirt and debris that's on that seat and bring it to the surface. That way we can come by with our microfiber towel and wipe and really clean and nourish the seat. So this is Turn and Burn that we're using on our seats here, and this is going to clean and condition the seats all at once. So we're doing the backs and the bottoms of the seats, and then we're going to be pulling the seat out away from the wall so that we can then scrub the side paneling on the wall of this aircraft as well, making sure everything is cleaned properly and spotless. As you guys can see here, we're using Turn and Burn and our Scrub Ninja to scrub down the side paneling here. This is a case like they spilled a drink at all and they got some sticky stuff on the side here. Scrub Ninja is going to be perfect for that. And then we're just using our low pile and our high pile side of our towel to really wipe up anything that's left over so there's no streaks at all. And this is going to give it a nice crystal clear finish on this paneling here. In this shot here, I got a good cleaning shot of our Turn and Burn. So you can see the surfactants from the Turn and Burn really pulling all that grime to the surface level, so that all I got to do is wipe with our clean microfiber towel here, and it's going to give us a clean finish here. And then once the surface is all nice and dry, it's going to be clean and conditioned leather surface. After cleaning the front side of the seats, we're then going to spray our turn and burn again on our Scrub Ninja and clean all the back paneling of the seats, as well as the back paneling of the walls here of this aircraft, and get this thing all cleaned up.
And also the door entryway here, we're gonna make sure there's no fingerprints or smudges on that as well.
Now when it comes to carpet cleaning, the first things I'm going to want to do is take my carpet brush and I'm going to want to brush all the fibers from the back of the aircraft all the way to the front. Now this is going to get all those fuzz balls out of the carpet, it's going to get all the pet hair out of the carpet, and it's going to lift a lot of dirt out of the carpet as well. And this is going to give me a good carpet to begin with when I go to start my cleaning and my shampoo. I call this my first round of dirt. So now that I got up my first round of dirt all brushed to the front of the plane, I'm going to use our vacuum and vacuum up all the leftover parts that are on here. Now we can have a clean carpet for our next part, which is going to be our carpet shampooing. What we're doing is using our carpet rescue and our UFO pad on our 3-inch buffer here. So we're going to be spraying our carpet rescue all over the carpet fibers here. And then we're using our 3-inch Lopez polisher, the UFO pad, to brush in all the carpet rescue shampoo to all these fibers here. So we have our speed setting 1 of our polisher here. We're going to go cross hatch pattern over all the carpets here, just to really brush in all that carpet rescue into all those fibers. Once we're all done with that, then we're going to come back with our vacuum and vacuum everything up. That way we don't have any shampoo left over in the carpets, and that way we have a clean and refreshed carpet system for our customer. Once done, these are exactly how your carpet should look. If you understand the detail up to this point, now we're going to go ahead and finish it all up. So we're going to be wiping the walls, we're going to do the seats, and we're going to do the carpets. As we're wrapping up this detail, we should have a clean cockpit. We should have some clean windows for our customers to look at. We should have clean and conditioned leather seats, clean and protected carpets, and there should be no smudges or fingerprints anywhere. And this charter is all ready for its next flight. Comment down below what your favorite part of this video was and what you'd like to see in other videos so I can make some good content for you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video, and safe detailing.